my channel. Today we will show you a speedy trick to solve simultaneous linear equation. Suppose if we have a linear equation 3x plus 2y equal to minus 1, then 5x plus 6y equal to y. Without adding anything, I am going to show you how to find x and y values here. Let's just take the numbers 3, 2, minus 1. In the second linear equation we have 5, 6, 5, isn't it? 3 and 5, so that means this 3 and 5, it belongs to x. 2 and 6, it belongs to y, and minus 1 and 5, it belongs to constant, isn't it? If you want to find the x, you have to concentrate on y. Take y coefficient in the first equation, which is 2, multiply with the constant term, which is 5, minus, multiply right hand side diagonal, that is minus 1 times 6. That is, you have to take y coefficient in the second equation, which is 6, times the constant minus 1. So 6 times minus 1 over. Now in the denominator, take diagonal terms in x and y. So that means 3 times 6 minus 5 times 2. So 3 times 6 minus 5 times 2. So 2 times 5, 10. Minus 10 minus plus 6 over 3 times 6, 18, minus 5 times 2, 10. So 10 plus 6, which gives 16. 18 minus 10, which gives 8. So 16 divided by 2, so the x value is 2. And after solving, you need to change the sign on. Our x value is minus 2. Now I am going to find the value of y. Whenever you are finding y, you need to concentrate on x terms. So you have to start with the second equation. X coefficient of the second equation times constant. So 5 times minus 1, which gives minus 5, minus 3 times 5, which gives 15. So divided by, you need to take x and y terms diagonally. So 3 times 6, which gives 18, minus 5 times 2, which gives 10, which is minus 20 divided by 8. The answer is minus 5 by 2. You need to change the sign. So y value is minus 5 by 2. If you change the sign, then you will get plus 5 by 2. So your x value is minus 2, y value is plus 5 by 2. 4x plus 5y, that is equal to 21. Then 3x plus 2y, that is equal to 14. So first what you have to do, take the all numbers 4, 5, 21, 3, 2, 14. These are x coefficients, y coefficients, constants. So first we are going to find the x value. If you want to find the x value, you need to concentrate on y. So this is y. You have to start with the first equation. Do cross multiplication diagonally. So 5 times 14, which gives 70, minus 2 times 21, which gives 42, over. So now you have to take x and y terms. Here we have to cross multiply. 4 times 2, which is 8, minus 3 times 5, which is 15. So 70 minus 42, which gives 28. 8 minus 15, which gives minus 7. So the x value is minus 4. After getting the result, you need to change the signs. So x value is positive 4. Now we are going to find y value. To find y value, you need to concentrate on x coefficients. So you need to start with second equation. So this is our second equation, x coefficient 3. Do cross multiplication. 3 times 21, which gives 63, minus again x coefficient with constant. 4 times 14, which gives 56, divided by, now x and y terms. So 4 times 2, which is 8, minus 3 times 5, 15. 63 minus 56, which gives 7. And here also minus 7. After cancelling, you will get minus 1. So you need to change the sign. So y value is here minus 1. When you change the sign, you will get plus 1. So x value is 4, y value is 1. So these are the x and values of this linear equation. Let's see one more. 3x minus 2y equal to minus 1. 2x plus y equal to 4. So if you want to find the x, we need to concentrate on y. So start with the first equation. We have minus 2 times 4, which gives minus 8, minus y quotient is 1 times minus 1, which gives minus 1, over, we need to concentrate now 3 times 1, which is 3, 2 times minus 2, which is minus 4. So minus 8, minus into minus plus 1, so 3, minus into minus plus 4, so that is minus 7 over 7, which gives minus 1. So whatever you get the result, you need to change the sign. So x value is here negative 1, change the sign, you will get x equal to 1. Now we are going to find the value of y. So whenever you are going to find the value of y, concentrate on x. Start with the equation 2. So 2 times minus 1, which is minus 2. Then 3 times 4, minus 12, divided by 3 times 1, 3, minus 2 times minus 2. So which is plus 4. So this is minus 14 plus 4, which gives minus 2. So whatever you are getting the result, you need to change the sign. Here we are getting minus 2. If you change the sign, you get plus 2. So x value is 1, y value is 2. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, subscribe for the more interesting topics. Thank you for watching.